Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So you can see this is first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that this is search icon and then enter the model number of your graphic card model number Asus for RTX 3090 Stream 24G and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Now you can see this is your graphic card model number to click. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11, 7. So all the operating system installations process same, download and install process same, and this is your driver. And this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Okay, it is completed. Wait for complete, then I show you how to install. But after completed, click on three dot which is in the corner and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.